It was dark night of the 13th of November 1974 when DeFeo Jonior, whose full name was Ronald DeFeo, told the people in the bar situated in Long Island town of Amityville, USA, while drinking that his whole family had been killed by someone. Listening to that incident, listeners accompanied him and went to his home. The three-story building known as DeFeo House was appearing in the dark, very horrible. Windows of the building were circular and were in a pair of fashion. It made the building more horrible. Police arrested Ronald DeFeo. First of all, he repeated the same story that someone had killed his whole family, but at the end of the investigation on the very next day, he admitted that he had killed his whole family. What was motive? Initially police was unable to understand. Was it familicide or some other motive relating to property dispute or love affair revenge? The police were not certain. Initially, he also blamed some mob which killed his family, but police was not ready to accept this statement. DeFeo Jonior told police that some supernatural and superstitious forces instigated him to kill his family. This statement amounted to confession, which could not enlighten the weight of crime of murder for the plea of so-called superstitious happenings. History of Ronald DeFeo confirmed that he was addict of heroin and LSD. He had confessed that when he started to shoot his family then he could not stop himself. In this way, he killed his 6-member family, including his parents. The strange thing was that neighbors said that they had not listened to any shooting voice. His trial started after 1 year on the 14th of October 1975 after full investigation. The case was very clear, though the motive was not clear. His attorney took the plea of his insanity as a defense, but his past history was transparent, which didn't confirm that he was insane and committed the crime under it. At last, he was convicted for 25 years consecutive sentences. His attorney filed several appeals during this period, but all appeals could not succeed. He challenged his conviction, too, but the same was too dismissed. Amityville crime attracted writers and a book, the Amityville horror book Wad, published in 1977. Even a movie maker also produced a film in 1979. Ronald DeFeo fabricated many pleas for his crime during the prison, like he had committed the crime as he was possessed by the devil. He even said that he is the real Amityville horror as he had killed his family. The Amityville house or DeFeo House was purchased by many people. Afterwards, ownership changed one after the other, but this building remained under discussion like a horror spot building. A family, George and Kathy Lutz, who had purchased the building, said that they had noticed some supernatural happenings like bed pulling. They also said that they had captured once an infrared photo of a ghost boy who passed swiftly through a door. What is truth no one can confirm. Ronald DeFeo died in March 2021 at the age of 69, leaving behind unsolved questions and doubts of supernatural happenings. Was he possessed really by a devil? Are some supernatural happenings in DeFeo House as George and Lutz claim? And was he really insane? Mystery is still unanswerable.